Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope all are doing good. So today we are going to learn the three topics difference. Okay. So what is that? Gradients of a scalar field and divergence of a vector field and curl of a vector field. Okay. Today we are going to learn the difference between div, curl and grade. So first of all, I would like to explain you about the gradients of a scalar field. So what is gradients of a scalar field? So see here, the gradients of a scalar field can be explained. See, so in this image, the vector differential operator del, okay, what operator it is? The vector differential operator, it is denoted by del. See here in the image, you can see this is what? Del, okay. The vector differential operator del, it is defined by del is equals to I cap dou by dou x, j cap dou by dou y and plus k cap dou by dou z, okay. This is what del. See here, del operator del is equals to I cap dou by dou x plus j cap dou by dou y plus k cap dou by dou z. So this is what? The differential operator del, okay. So here what is grade, okay, what is gradients, okay. What is gradients? Gradients means it is the gradients is a differential operator by means of which we can associate a vector field with a scalar field. For example, if pi is a scalar field, for example, if a pi is a scalar, okay, then what is the value of del pi? So del pi is a vector. If pi is a scalar quantity, then del pi is a vector quantity. See, once again I am explaining here. For example, let us consider pi of x, y, z. So this is what? Scalar function of a position of a scalar point with the coordinates x, y, z, okay. This is what? A scalar function with the coordinates x, y, z. In the x direction it is x, y, z, okay. Along the three-dimensional vectors, this is pi is a scalar function. Then the gradients of a scalar function can be defined as, it is del pi. So how can we write del pi? Del pi is equals to, write down the value of del here. Here it is del. Del means what? I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. Okay? I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z into pi. Okay? So del pi value is, here I am writing del pi value is equals to I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. Okay, this is what? Del pi. Del pi means what, Nana? Grad pi. This can also be written as grade pi. Okay, del pi, as well as it can also called as del pi or grade pi. Okay. So here the gradients of a scalar field, here a pi is a scalar field, then the gradients of a scalar field, means what? Whenever you are having a scalar field, if you want to change that scalar field into vector field, what you have to do? You have to apply the gradients, then simply it will convert into vector, okay, because the vector which is having I, j, k, okay. This is what? Gradients of a scalar field. Now next topic is divergence of a vector field, okay. Before going to the next topic, see here in this image the gradients of a scalar field, of a scalar function. So in this image I have taken the scalar function as f of x, y, z, okay. Then the grad f value is equals to what, Nana? Grad f is equals to del f is equals to what, Nana? I dou f by dou x, j dou f by dou y, k dou f by dou z. This is what? Grad f is equals to del f, that is equals to I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. This is what? The gradients of a scalar field. Okay. So next I want to solve one problem on it, a simple problem. See here, find the gradients of a scalar field. Question is, find the gradients of a scalar field of f is equals to 2x plus y plus z square. Here 2x plus y plus z square is a scalar point function. Okay, for that scalar point function, what he is asking? Gradients of a scalar field. He is asking about the gradients of a scalar field. Already we know what is gradients of scalar field formula. Grade pi. What is the formula? I dou by dou x, j dou by dou y, k dou by dou z. See here, this is the formula into f. F means 2x plus y plus z square. Then multiply inside it. Okay, so I dou by dou x of 2x plus y plus z square means complete value. I dou by dou x of f, j dou by dou x of j dou by dou y of complete value, k dou by dou z of complete value. Okay, then you will get I dou by dou x of 2x plus y plus z square. It is partially differential equation. So that is why the differentiation of 2x is 2 and the differentiation of y with respect to x is 0. Differentiation of z with respect to x is also 0. Okay, so that is why the first value is only 2i. And next coming to j dou by dou y. J dou by dou y of 2x plus y plus z square. In this case only here it is dou by dou y. In the entire term we are having only y value here. So that is why j dou by dou y of y, that is j, because dou y by dou y is 1. Then k dou by dou z of this value, f value. Okay, k dou by dou z of 2x plus y plus z square value is what, Nana? Z square differentiation is 2z. Then it is 2zk. So finally grad f value is 2i plus j plus 2zk. Okay, like this you have to solve if it is given in a problematic part. So in the question paper, in the semester question paper also they will ask the problems. If they given the scalar point function, then how to find out the gradients of a scalar field, like this. This is the way. Okay, Nana? Next I am going to move with divergence of a vector field. Okay, see here the divergence of a vector field. Here the scalar or dot product, scalar product or dot product of operator, the scalar product or dot product of the operator del and the vector A. Okay, del bar dot A bar, it is called divergence of a vector field A. Okay, the divergence of a vector field is denoted by div A bar. It can also be written as del bar dot A bar. The divergence of a vector field A bar can be written as del bar dot A bar, but grad pi can be written as del pi. Grad pi is del pi. No dot product. Okay, in the gradients it is not a dot product, but in the divergence it is a dot product. Okay, so the dot product of a operator, sorry, just wait, the dot product of a operator del bar and A bar. Okay, it is called as divergence of a vector field. And the definition of a divergence of a vector field is the divergence of a vector field at any point is defined as the amount of flux per unit volume diverging from that point. See here, this is what the source point here. So the amount of flux, okay, the amount of flux per unit volume diverging from that point. Okay, this is what the divergent. Okay, it is called the divergence of a vector field. So here A is a vector point function of three-dimensional point, means each point x, y, z. Okay, this is what in a three-dimensional region of space. Now the divergence of a vector field is denoted by del bar dot A bar. Okay, del bar dot A bar. Now it can be written as, so the divergence of a vector field is div A is equals to del bar dot A bar. So already you know the value of del bar, substitute it. Okay, del bar dot A bar. What is the value of A? A means the vector A is equals to Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap. Okay, Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap. Already you know the value of del bar. What is the value of del bar? I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. Okay, then dot product these two vectors. Already yesterday I told you I dot I value is 1, j dot j value is 1, k dot k value is also 1. Then final value of divergence of a vector field del bar dot A bar is dou Ax by dou x plus dou Ay by dou y plus dou Az by dou z. Okay, this is what del bar dot A bar, that is divergence of a vector field. Okay, this value is dou ax by dou x plus dou ay by dou y plus dou az by dou z. This is what Nana divergence of a vector field. Remember this term. Okay, next I am moving to the curl of a vector field. Okay, in general, curl means what? Nana, curl of a vector field. Curl means what? Rotation. Okay, so curl of a vector field means rotation of a vector field. Okay, so curl of a vector field is denoted by curl. For example, the vector is a bar, a bar. If it is f bar, f bar. Okay, curl of a vector field a bar, curly a bar is also denoted by del bar cross a bar. Okay, this is what? Curl a, del cross a or curl a, both are equal. So the curl of a vector field is defined as the maximum line integral of a vector per unit area. The maximum line integral of a vector per unit area. So in this image, you can able to see curl f is equals to modulus of how to find out curl f means del cross f. The value of del cross f, there is a formula that mod I j k. Okay, and then dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and this is what the curl f bar. F bar means what? Fxi plus fyj plus fzk, or a bar value is what? Axi plus ayj plus azk. This is what? Ax, ay, az. Okay, like this you have to find out the curl of a vector field. Okay, so curl of a vector field formula is what? Modulus of I j k dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, ax, ay, az. Okay, now how to find out the curl of a vector field? See here, the first value is I. Okay, the first value is I into, okay, see here, so the curl of a vector field, curl a bar is equals to del bar cross a bar. This can also be written as modulus of I cap, j cap, k cap. Okay, then next dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Okay, and the value of a, already you know, a bar is equals to what? Nana, ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Okay, this is what? Ax, ay, az. Okay, now how to find out this value? See here, first of all I am completing with the I. Okay, I row and I column. So I cap of, eliminate the row and column of I, then what is left? Dou by dou y of az and minus dou by dou z of ay. Okay, and next here it is plus, minus, plus. So minus j cap of, so I am eliminating jth row, jth column. Then what is left? Dou by dou x of az minus dou by dou z of ax. Okay, and next what is left? Plus k cap of, I am eliminating kth row, kth column. Then what is left? Dou by dou x of ay minus dou by dou y of ax. Okay, so this is what the curl value. This is the way you have to find out the curl of a vector field. Curly a bar is equals to del bar cross a bar I j k, and del values what? Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and a values are what? Ax, ay, az. Okay, in this way, this is the expression for curl in a Cartesian system, because Cartesian system is having the region of space, the coordinates are x, y, z. Okay, this is what about the curl of a vector field. So now I want to brief today's topics. So grade pi means what, Nana? Grade pi can be written as del pi. Div a bar can also be written as del bar dot a bar. Curl a bar can be written as del bar cross a bar. So curl means cross product. Div means dot product. Okay, and gradients means no dot, no cross. Simply it is multiplication of pi with a del operator. Okay, this is what about today's topic. Thank you.